Have you ever tried to drill a hole in a pipe? Then you know it's almost impossible. However, I think I have the perfect solution to this. It consists of two 3D printed things and some screws, and also some ball bearings that are used to guide the drill straight down. By changing the size of the ball bearings, you can fit almost all drills of a reasonable size. The 3D printed parts are made in such a way that they will fit a lot of different sizes of pipes. Just go to my channel if you like it and want to get this thing for yourself.